So we're going to look at a little bit of advanced formulas in Google Sheets. So using my list of data, I'm going to go through and I want to work out of those people that participated, how many were less than 10 years old. So up here I've said count everything in B as long as it's less than 10. So I've gone through and I've done that one, and then I want to do if they're between 10 and 20. So it's everything in B. I want to count them if they're greater than or equal to 10 and less than 20. And I do that all the way down until I get to my bottom one here, where I do it for greater than or equal to 60. Now I was interested in how each age group went and their relative difference between what they scored in the writing as opposed to the reading. So I went through and I said, righto, we're going to do the average of their scores. We're going to check first, and that's why it's average if. We want to check first if they're less than or equal to 10. If they are, we're going to count them and we're going to check and see what their average is. So I've gone through and I've done that all the way through. Now if S just means that there's more than one if statement. And as you can see, I've gone through and I've set it up so that we're doing it all the same. Just remember, if you're doing if and then if S, this time the range data goes first, so the bit that you're averaging, then comes your criteria. And I've done that all the way through so that I've got a list for each one of our individual age groups. Then I was interested to see what the difference is between the two. So what I did is I was a little bit cheeky. I used some clever math, but I'm really just interested in what the difference is between reading and writing. And the bit that's really helpful when you're doing sheets is you can see you can drag it straight down. So just checking between the two differences between the two sheets. As always, be careful, interpret your data. There are some interesting things going on just in this little part of the spreadsheet. Keep an eye on them and stay classy, I'll say high school.